Would you like to know how to get more people watching your Facebook live streams, get tons more engagement, and get qualified new leads as well?
Well, stay tuned as we take you through the 8 easy steps for the perfect Facebook Live.
Step 1 is to set a specific topic. We're fed up of wishy-washy titles. They don't work to entice people in. Things like, here's what I learned from the park today when I walked in the park.
That's a real example.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or things like, an important message for today. They don't work nearly as well as clearly defined specific topics. So set a specific topic for your title of your video, because if you can do that, then you can write a really good engaging description that draws people in and makes them actually want to watch your video and not just scroll on by.
Step 2 is to reach out for questions. Once you have a topic in mind, then ask your audience if they have any questions on that specific topic. And if they don't have any questions, then maybe you need to question whether that's a good topic to begin with. Another reason this is a really good thing to do is because it gives you an excuse to let your audience know about the Facebook Live that's coming up and then remind them about it, so that more people will watch live, especially if they have already asked you a question that they know you are going to cover.
Personally, our favorite thing to do is to ask this question to our Messenger bot audience, because then we can set up a automatic reminder which automatically gets sent to them to get them to watch your live show when it's live.
It's all about pre-promoting that live show, so people are there ready live to watch as you go live, which leads us nicely on to step 3.
Step 3 is to pre-promote your live show. Send out reminders via email, via social, just anything and everything you can do. And if they ask a question, make sure you give them a reminder and follow up with it. It's really simple, but very effective. Pre-promote your live show.
Especially via carrier pigeon. Underutilized.
Totally.
Step 4 is to use a third-party Facebook Live tool. If you use a third-party tool, something like eCamm Live for Mac, or BeLive, or OBS Studio, or Wirecast, then it lets you do more than you can do on just a regular old Facebook Live that you would do through Facebook itself. And this becomes really important in just a moment.
But first, before we go live, step number 5. Set up a Messenger bot comment growth tool.
Sounds complicated, that one does.
It's not. Now this step is optional, but highly recommended. Hey, we said this was going to be the perfect live show, not just an average live show. So we're going to show you everything that you should be doing. The benefits of setting up a Messenger bot is that it allows you to offer incentives during the live show that get delivered automatically by your bot. For example, in this Facebook live stream here, we are promoting one of our new shows on Atomic.
Don't we look handsome?
We do.
Oh yeah?
And we say in the video, if you comment with the word episode, we will give you the first episode free to watch.
And if they do that, then our Facebook Messenger bot can automatically send them the link to that episode, tag them, and put them into our sales funnel. And this is where the magic happens. You'll also notice as we're doing this Facebook Live, we have the call to action on screen at all times to comment with the word episode. And we can do this really easily because we are using one of those third-party tools. Us specifically, we absolutely love eCamm Live for Mac. See, we told you it was important.
Told you. Step 6 is to get stuck right in for your replay viewers. Now this may blow your mind, but if you think about it, the only people watching your live video at the very, very beginning are the replay viewers. The replay viewers.
I already knew that.
So in that first minute, rather than welcoming people or saying, hey, I'm gonna wait for people to come on, don't do that. Tell the replay viewers why they should listen to this video, why they should keep watching. Tell them what you're gonna talk about, entice them in, and say that you're gonna be starting in just a moment.
You did say bluers there instead of viewers, but I think we should just leave that one in. What do you think?
I am practically perfect. So
we're definitely not redoing that. We're just gonna keep going.
Okay.
Step 7, do the live. Just give it your best and do the best live show that you have within you. Make sure you are interacting with people, you're answering their questions, but also doing your thing and giving that value that you have promised in the first place. And if you are using that Facebook Messenger bot alongside your Facebook Live, then make sure at multiple times within your live that you are calling action on your audience to do whatever you want them to do, or whatever word you want them to comment with.
Number 8 is to follow up. One of the most important things that you can do to give your Facebook Live a longer life after being live is to go back and return to the comments and start conversations with them. Engage with people, reply to the people that have been commenting.
Reply to the bluers.
Reply to the bluers. These conversations result in engagement, and the more people commenting and engaging on your live show afterwards will give it more and more reach.
And a top tip on doing this is to go back on anyone that you mentioned in the live, whether that's a person or a brand or a tool or whatever. Go back and tag them in the comments and let them know that you talked about them. It seems like a lot of work, but remember, the more of the things that you do that we're telling you to do in this video, the more reach you're going to get on that Facebook Live, and potentially the more prospects you're going to get from that Facebook Live too.
If you're really interested in getting more organic Facebook reach, then you really need to check out this video, which is all about how to get some more reach organically, like insane amount of reach, like a lot of reach.
Also, in the description, we've put the checklist that we've talked about today in the description for you to go and copy, paste, store safely for the next time you decide, hey, it's Monday, let's go live on Facebook.
Let's get some bluers. And if you want to know how to set up your very own messenger bot, it's not as hard as you think, by the way, then we have a full training inside Atomic, and it'll teach you how to get those leads and prospects, increase your automation on all of this lead processes, and give you more reach in the process. If you want to know more about that, you need to get on our Build Your Bot Month show on Atomic and check it out. We'll put the link to that in the description below.
We do these videos every single week, so if you've enjoyed this, whilst you're down there, please do hit that big red shiny subscribe button. I've been Andrew.
I was gonna say,
we do these every week.
He's been Andrew.
Like, we've said this line like 125 times now.
He's been Andrew. I've been Pete.
That's not what the script says. It says, I've been Andrew.
Okay, go on.
I've been Andrew.
I've been Pete.
See you next time.
See ya.